All right, update here on ENPH. Out here on the 3-day time frame, let's go over the overall chart first. So we have 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 waves to get down here to the end of the A wave. We know it's the end of the A wave because we got a huge move from 72 straight up to 140. And then we get a move back down, we get a move back up, B wave pullback, and we make a new high. That's important that we made a new high because that tells us this is not a wave 1. This is a wave A, this is a wave B. And so now we're in a 5-wave move. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. And in the last video, I talked about wanting to see this. However, I mean, their earnings were good. I don't even understand why this didn't play out. It doesn't really make any sense. But I guess if this is the case, if it does not go up from here, then the end of the 4th wave was right here. So I guess this would be a impulse, pullback, and a C wave right there. So I'm going to write A or 4 here. And then that would leave this being a diagonal because you have ABC, 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 potentially ABC like that down here. But this whole move should be the 5th wave if it makes a new low. It's pretty clear that this is going to be the 5th wave. And I would expect it, if this was the top, I would expect it to be the same length as wave 1, which means this could go all the way down to 53 bucks. I think I talked about that in the last video. And then that should be it. That should be completely it. We have 5 waves down. We made an AB move. That should be the overall B wave. And then we should expect a probably, let's see, how long would that be? We're probably looking for like 6, 7, 8 months up. So we're looking at A, B, C, up here. Minimum target would be 95 bucks. But you see here, there's gaps right here at 88. There's a gap here at 99, 104, 112. The max target, so anywhere from 95, the max target is going to be 256. Probably won't get there, but that's the max target. I would say it has a chance to get up to 200 bucks though. And I still see this as a B wave though. So I still see this as A, B, C, B. And then I'd be looking for another move down here, probably going all the way down to these gaps. There's a gap at 28 bucks. So you can see where we're at in the overall scheme of things. We are not done correcting, but there should be a C wave up, and then that's where you're going to want to sell. So that's my thoughts on ENPH now. We're probably in a diagonal here now that it invalidated. The original thoughts on this were that it was going to go... The original thought was this is a B wave. So A, B, C, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C. Instead, we go up there, we make a 3rd wave, we hit the 1.61 fib, and then we come straight back down. So unless this is some kind of like expanded flat and we do end up going like this up here, then we're probably going to go down and make new lows, and I'd be buying probably in the low 50s. Low 50s would be my target. Let's just say that is the end of the 4th wave right there. We can draw a parallel line from the 2nd wave. And I'd be looking for something maybe around this midpoint. So maybe out here. So actually, like when I draw the parallel line, it also kind of makes me think that this is still in a B wave. So we'll watch. Is it diagonal, or are we still going to have a C wave up? I'm not sure right now. We'll see. It does look like this is probably going to at least make one more low, though. So if that's the case, let's look at the moving averages. Obviously below all moving averages. So yeah, it's super bearish on moving averages if you're looking at it that way. But we will see how it plays out. I'm not sure if we're going to end up making a diagonal lower right away, or if this is going to be some kind of weird B wave or weird second wave. We end up coming up here higher first. Based on the overall market, I'd probably lean downwards though. So that's my thoughts on ENPH. Killed earnings, stock still gets slaughtered, and just gotta be more patient. I think eventually, here probably in the next year, this will be back above $100. So that's it for this video. Leave a comment, like, subscribe for more updates, and I'll catch you in the next video.